Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, tow hitch, power passenger seat, power lift gate, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, MP3 player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.